DirectFix.com presents
the iPad Mini Screen Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPad with parts from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Completely power off your iPad. Using a heat gun XX2559, loosen the adhesive holding down the touch panel. Using the large case opener tool provided in the iPad Toolkit IP2508, begin to remove the touch panel from the iPad. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 Phillips head screws securing the LCD. Using your case opener tool, pull up your LCD. Remove the large shield covering the battery and motherboard by removing 16 Phillips head screws, shown in the red circles. After removing the screws, pry off the metal shield, exposing the connectors for the LCD and touch panel. The connectors for the LCD and touch panel are secured behind an EMI shield, which is secured by 3 small Phillips screws. After removing the shield, disconnect both the LCD and touch panel connectors. After reusing the home button from your previous screen, connect your replacement touch panel to the motherboard. Connect the replacement LCD to the motherboard. Secure the connectors with an EMI shield and 3 screws. Replace the large metal shield over the motherboard and battery. Secure with screws in the red circles shown. Fold down the LCD and secure with 4 screws. And now fold down the touch panel. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now.